Welcome to season 1, episode 1 of Coffee with Parul. Okay, that was a pathetic joke. Please don't cancel me because today we are not going to be gossiping about any trashy subject, but we are going to be discussing the amazing skincare effects that coffee has to provide. Now, the scrub that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video, I have been using it for more than a decade now, and it has consistently given me amazing results. But before we go ahead with the scrub, let us discuss the amazing skincare benefits that coffee has to offer. 1. It is an amazing tool for reducing cellulite. Scrub action combined with the caffeine effects in the coffee actually help in dissolving the cellulite deposit in that particular area. But again, this is not a permanent solution to that particular problem. It is a very short-lived effect. So if you want to gain as much effects from it, then you have to use it consistently and continuously. But in any case, this is the easiest way to get rid of cellulite, so hell yes. It also helps in reducing the stretch marks of any kind. So I really hope that it would be beneficial to all the beautiful mothers out there and all those people who have successfully managed to reduce weight, unlike me. Look at my chubby arms. Let's discuss that for some other day. 2. It has amazing anti-aging benefits. So if you have any kind of dark spots or redness or inflammation or even fine lines on your skin, this is your go-to product because this will give you instant results. 3. Acne treatment. So if you have acne scars or if you have any kind of dark spots onto your skin due to acne, or if you have a very sensitive skin which is prone to catching any kind of infection, then this is a holy grail because this will work exceptionally well onto any skin that is sensitive. 4. Reduction of dark circles. So the caffeine is especially helpful in reducing the dark circles around your eyes, which is a super plus. So I guess that is it for the benefits today. That is all that we are going to be concentrating today, and let's see how we can get this scrub done. Okay, so the products that we would be requiring is coffee, of course. I would be using some gulab jal or rose water and a bit of honey, and of course you would be needing one bowl to mix it all in. So the coffee that I would be using today is not instant coffee. It is by Bru in roast and ground variant. And the reason that I use it because it is not as finely ground as our instant coffee variants. So I'm going to be taking 2 spoons of this coffee in my bowl. So this is 1 and 2. So I'm going to be adding few drops of honey into it, and I'm going to be taking approximately half teaspoon of honey because this will provide the essential nourishment to your skin when you scrub, because when you scrub it tends to take away the moisture as well sometimes. So honey is going to help you lock that moisture onto your skin and bring into that. And now to make a paste, instead of using any oils per se, I don't really tend to gravitate towards adding any kind of oils. So that's why I am taking rose water, and I'm just going to add ample amount of it into the paste to make sure that it is really cool. If you do not have this variant of coffee at your home and if you are only left with instant coffee, it works perfectly well as well. I just tend to gravitate towards this particular product because it is very coarse, so I do not need to add any extra product to make it scrubbable, if that is even a word. But if you have instant coffee, it's very simple. Take 2 spoons of instant coffee in your bowl and add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and it will work exactly the same way. So we have the paste in front of us, and now I am going to use that on my face. And I'm just gonna be gently scrubbing my worries away. in soft circular motions. As you can see, I'm going very soft-handed around my eye area because the skin here is very sensitive. I look horrendous, but in some way I just look cute. So I'm just quickly gonna go and grab a shower and I'll be right back. So that's it, you guys. This is me after just washing my face with some lukewarm water, and I didn't really apply any kind of soaps or face washes to my face because I really wanted my skin to absorb all the ingredients in the scrub, and it feels amazing. I haven't even applied any moisturizer. So this is the nakedest skin that I have, and it feels amazing. The blackheads around my nose are gone. Thanks to honey, my skin feels very supple and very well moisturized, so great. My overall skin is smooth as hell, so great. I mean, of course you cannot really expect magic to happen overnight, but for the first time it feels really good. I'm just gonna go and take a nap for now, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Let me know if you enjoyed this skincare routine, and sound off in the comments box below if you want to see any more such tutorials. I'll be more than happy to provide them with you. And that's it for today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe as always, and keep growing, keep happy, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Bye guys.